You can bring it around if you want. We'll see if any kangaroos and stuff that are interested in it. Have you guys already done a lap through the park at all? Or no? Yes. Yeah, perfect. We do have some more walk-ins and stuff. Okay. See if anyone's interested. Yeah, a lot of them.
Yan na, look. Locals kasi, locals siya. Kaya ka bang food? Des, tingin dito, Des.
Picture lang ko kayo, dali. Background sa background. Anong cartoon yun? Anong cartoon yun?
Yan na, look.
Bakit sa'yo gusto? Oo, hindi yan na.
Locals kasi, locals siya. Kaya ka bang food? Des, tingin dito, Des. Yan, ang ganda. Locals kasi, locals siya. Kaya ka bang food? Des, tingin dito, Des. Yan, ang ganda.
You're so excited. Kasi, saan kayo galing? Hindi, nagsan sa Pilipinas. I'm from Las Piñas. Oh, okay. Iba-iba. From Nabota. Ay, nag-tutor kayo. That's good. That's really good. Bisita ko. Sinong taga Sydney? Kami yung local. Pwede din yung mga
Busog na eh. Ako na lang kaya. Tastes good, ah. What do you call that?
Ibis.
Di ba nagkakalat-kalat lang yun?
Yung tawag nila scavenger bird.
Scavenger. So gusto nila rito kasi may pagkain sila. Yan. Okay, galing oh. Oh, hawakan niyo raw to, hawakan niyo.
Ito.
Yan.